What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do in the case that you are using a computer, you are fixing a computer, you are helping someone with a computer that is really slow, especially when it starts, when it initializes, okay? What to do? Simple, easy, effective, and really fast. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our start menu, search for run, just like this, click on it, then use this option right here, MS config, just like this, copy the text, pause the video, and click on OK. Once right here, we're going to be able to see this panel. You can use a normal setup, but I'm going to go to boot. And right here, I'm gonna move to advanced settings. And here is the trick. You're gonna mark this option, number of processors. Mine it's set as 1. You're gonna set the highest possible number. Normally some computers have 6, other have 8, other have only 4. Mine have 12, so I'm gonna select this option. Click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK. And the computer gonna need to be reset. As soon as you reset, you're gonna be able to change the setting and make this effective. And you can exit without resetting in the case that you need. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.